Let's walk through the process for taking materials, creating POs, and finally, submitting invoices. From the On Hand tab, click on Used Materials next to the parts you'll need to build out the materials required for a specific job. You can either use the toggle arrows to add cable by 1,000 feet or add individual small parts one at a time. Or you may manually type in quantities you'll need. As you take materials, the order builds to the right of the screen. When you've completed adding parts to the order, give it a unique PO number, then click Take Material at the bottom of the list. This will move the PO into the Awaiting Invoice tab. When a job is completed and the open invoices need to be submitted for billing, return to the Consignment Portal and navigate to the Awaiting Invoice tab. Here you will see a list of all open invoices. Before submitting an invoice, you have a chance to adjust the quantities of the materials that were actually used to complete the job. For example, if you took out 4,000 feet of cable but only used 2,000, click the checkmark next to that part number and click on Return Material. Then enter in the amount to be returned into the on-hand inventory. Now, click on Confirm Return. The 2,000 feet will automatically be adjusted back into your available inventory. If everything looks good, you may click the checkbox next to the PO/job number to select it, then click Bill Materials. One last chance to look over and confirm all items and quantities are correct, then click Confirm Bill and the bill will be submitted. Alternatively, if you have several invoices you wish to combine into one, you may select each of those bills, then click on Bill Materials. In the pop-up window, you may give it a master PO number. This will delete the previously entered individual POs and combine them into this single PO. For further questions, reach out to our team today. We're here to help.